why are introverts actually better investors than extroverts? Like, what are the qualities that make introverts very good investors? So one of those is we're good researchers. We love to research. We can spend hours just researching on our own. The second is we're really good listeners. And I think that helps. And so, like you, Michelle, I pivoted into syndication and now do group investing. And one of my favorite things to do is educate investors and then have one-on-one calls with them and listen to them and listen to where they are at, what they need, what they're looking for, understand them. So we're really good listeners. We have deep relationship, and that helps with investing and networking, like we've talked about. But you're right, we have to exercise a muscle that we're not used to exercising. And so still to this day, I get super nervous about going to meetups. I know I need to go to them. I know I need to go to meet people. And every time I come away feeling so grateful that I went, but every time the day before, I'm like, oh, is there something